Today I'm going to show you how to make a chopped cheese. Okay, my friends, so it's time to work, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to show you the techniques that I use every single day to create delicious chopped cheese for the neighborhood and also for you. So let's do it. First thing, we're gonna grab the meat, also the bread, and then we're going to turn off this machine. It's called the hook. Okay, here's the bread. Here, bro. Make sure it's soft, make sure it's delicious. This is good. And I'm going to grab some gloves because, you know, we're cooking with this China virus. We gotta make sure everything is nice and clean. Yesterday we created the bacon, egg, and cheese, and today, Wednesday, June the 30th, we're going to make a chopped cheese. All right, this is not easy, this is not difficult, but it's so delicious. Because when you're hungry, everything is delicious. We're gonna put some butter on the bread. Look how I do it. Then I want to put it right here. Okay. I turn the hook already. If you don't have a hook, that's much better. I'm going to grab some fresh meat. Fresh meat right here. I'm going to grab 2. But first, I'm going to put some oil in here. And because I'm starting creating videos, working by myself, everything doing by myself, but it's okay. You see, this is the burger. It's going to take us less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna put some black pepper, and then I use this sazon. I'm gonna use 1 package. Quick story. The other day, a guy from upstate New York, I'm here located in New York State, but also from upstate New York, a guy came the other day and he asked me what specials you have today. I told him we have a chopped cheese. And he said to me, what is a chopped cheese? I told him, where are you from? And he said, I'm from upstate. And I knew from that day that some people out of New York City don't know what is a chopped cheese. But here I'm meant to show you, to demonstrate how to create delicious food in the Bronx, where the delis are the greatest spot to get a good sandwich. And look, when I was talking to you, the burger is almost getting ready. See? Now we're going to grab the cheese. I'm going to use 3 slices for this occasion. And you're going to see when your very eyes how the cheese got melted into the burger meat. Now, while the cheese is melting in, we're going to grab the mayo and we're going to put it onto the bread. Then we're going to grab some 3 slices of sliced tomato, like this. And we're going to grab some lettuce. Look. And last, we're going to use, last but not least, some ketchup. See? And now we're going to put the thing over here. Put some black pepper. It will make it more colorful. Look at this. That was not difficult. It took him about 5 minutes. Okay, my good friends, as you see, I finished with the chopped cheese, and I'm going to try it. Look. Come over here. Okay, so this is the chopped cheese. Chopped cheese, how delicious looks. Look. Wow. You see? Look my face. I want to try in front of your very eyes. Mmm. Yeah, this is really good. It tastes so delicious. It's a burger, but it's chopped. That's why it's called chopped cheese. Wow. So now you know how to make a chopped cheese. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for another great recipe that I'm going to show you, because I'm fully convinced myself that I'm going to share everything that I know.
Yo, y'all already know what it is, man. Subscribe to Victor USA, man. Y'all want to learn how to make sandwiches and all that, deli and all that? Look, check this out right here. You want to learn how to do all this shit? Subscribe to this channel right now. You already know. Holla.